How to open Venmo business account in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to open Venmo business account. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to open Venmo business account. Okay, so just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video and you're gonna be able to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your phone. And after going to your phone, what you need to do is to go to Venmo app and open it. Okay, so after opening Venmo app, what you're gonna find is this page, and what you need to do is to click on create your profile. Okay, and after clicking on create your profile, you're gonna find two options. So they're gonna ask you if you want to register as individual or as business. So you're gonna choose the second one, which is business, because like you want to open a Venmo business account. So just click on business, and after they're gonna like ask you to create your profile by entering your business display name, business username, and talk about your business, and then the category of your business. And you can also add your photo or the photo of your profile. Okay, after doing this, you just need to click on next. And after, what you need to do is to enter your registered business and contact info. So just enter all the informations about your business here, about like business legal name, business address, registration type, or business phone number. Just enter all this information about your business. Okay, and then they're gonna ask you to choose how people can connect with your business. So you're gonna add your email, phone number, address, but the more important, which is email. Okay, you need to enter an email. Okay, after doing this, you just need to click on next. And after clicking on next, you just need to click on publish, and like this, you did it. You just created a Venmo business account. As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow, and you're gonna be able to create a Venmo business account. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.